Dreaming of a Greek island getaway, Naxos or Mykonos? It's a tough choice, laid-back charm or full-blown party mode. This video breaks down the best beaches, nightlife, food, and vibes of both islands. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one is perfect for you. Let's settle this Aegean showdown. Let's start where all Greek island fantasies begin. Soft sand, crystal water, and that blue that looks photoshopped but isn't. Mykonos brings the glam. Super Paradise and Saru aren't just beaches, they're beach experiences. Loud music, cocktails and coconuts, sunbeds that cost more than your flight. The water's stunning, but so is the price tag. Naxos? Think barefoot, not bottle service. Ios Prokopios, Plaka, Mikri Villa. Long golden beaches with space to breathe. No thumping bass, no line for a mojito. Just sea, sun, and the occasional taverna where the fish was caught 10 minutes ago. Verdict. If you want scene and sparkle, Mykonos. If you want serenity and swim space, Naxos wins by a mile. Nightfalls. The question is, do you want neon or nostalgia? Mykonos doesn't sleep. From Scorpios to Cavo Paradiso, it's designer drinks, world-famous DJs, and strangers yelling "Opa" in 6 different languages. It's wild, it's polished, and it's probably why your bank card is sweating. Naxos keeps it mellow. Think seaside bars, ouzo under string lights, and maybe a local DJ spinning deep house inside a 300-year-old building. No dress codes, no velvet ropes. Just that good Greek stay-a-while energy. Verdict. Mykonos for max energy and international party vibes. Naxos for low-key nights and long conversations with locals. Here's where Naxos quietly claps back. Mykonos offers fine dining with sea views and influencer-friendly menus. Everything looks amazing, but also somehow, your Greek salad just cost 18 euros. Naxos is the farm-to-table island. Literally. It grows most of what it serves. Cheeses, meats, potatoes, even the olive oil. You'll eat like you're at someone's yaya's house and leave stuffed for less than the price of a Mykonos cocktail. Verdict. Mykonos wins for glam cuisine. But if flavor and value matter more than plating and hashtags, Naxos dominates. Mykonos is curated chaos. Influencers, celebs, yacht crews. Everything's polished and performance-ready. Think boutique hotels, poolside DJs, and a dress code even at breakfast. Naxos is lived in. Real. It's Greek families on vacation, ferry-hopping backpackers, and people who want culture without crowding. You'll see village grandmas, stray cats, and kids diving off docks. It's not trying to impress you, and that's the charm. Verdict. Go Mykonos if you want the see and be seen lifestyle. Go Naxos if you want the kind of place where locals wave to you twice. Ready to do something? Mykonos offers Delos Island nearby. A day trip for ancient ruins and Greek mythology buffs. It's also got a few scenic trails and great water sports, but mostly it's about that leisure life. Naxos is built for explorers. Hike Mount Zaz, the highest peak in the Cyclades. Roam marble villages like Aparanthos. Visit 1,000-year-old churches, chase waterfalls inland, rent a car, get a little lost, and discover Greece behind the coast. Verdict: Mykonos if adventure means booking a cabana. Naxos if you want your calves sore and your camera full. Brace yourself. Mykonos is a financial flex. 500 euros plus a night for mid-range hotels in peak season is normal. Add 30 euros cocktails and 100 euros lunches, and you're suddenly vacationing like a hedge fund manager. Naxos? You can get a charming seaside studio for under 100 euros, eat like royalty for 15 euros, and still have money for gelato and the ferry home. Verdict: Mykonos if budget is no issue. Naxos if you want max experience for your euro. Still deciding? Save this guide now so you don't forget which island had the better beaches, or which one offered cheese instead of cover charges. And if you love the low-key vibe of Naxos but want something cheaper to retire to, check out Retiring to Paros, Greece in the off-season. Same Aegean charm, just easier on the wallet. All right, let's make it easy. Choose Mykonos if you live for luxury, glam, and poolside DJs. Your suitcase has more linen than a Zara warehouse. You want your vacation to feel like an Instagram reel. Choose Naxos if you'd rather eat well than post well. You like real Greece, goats, grandmas, and gorgeous landscapes. You want peace, space, and stories, not just snapshots. Truth is, you can't really lose. But knowing what you want, that's the difference between a nice trip and an unforgettable one. Still torn? Do both. Party in Mykonos, recover in Naxos. Repeat as needed. And if this helped, like, share, or argue in the comments. Are you Team Mykonos or Team Naxos? Yamas. And may your ferry be on time.